and this. All are bestsellers in their category. And I have audited hundreds of best-selling listings. All of them are using premium A plus content. Does it help grow sales? Well, Amazon itself claims that sales increased 20% compared to basic A plus, and that's huge. No wonder why bestseller prioritize premium A plus content. In this video, we are going to break down premium A plus content and see what common practice are used by the bestsellers. Cause there are 19 different modules and not all are sales worthy. So let's begin. First, you need to be eligible for Premium A Plus Access. Don't worry, that's not a hard thing to do. You just need to be a brand registered and have 15 approved basic A Plus content. And you're all set. Okay, let me show you where you gonna find the Premium A Plus module option. Click on the hamburger menu and then advertising. Now we have to click on A Plus Content Manager tab. This page will appear and just a click on this. Start creating A plus content. Now you see the options like this is for basic and here lies the premium. Now do you notice that? In the basic, you can add up to 5 modules. But in the premium, you can add 7 modules. That means more opportunities for showcasing your product creatively. Now let's see the modules. So these are the modules. First comes a premium background image with text. Most bestsellers do not use this, and I personally don't like this module as well to add on my listing. Instead, I prefer premium full image, and I have seen many bestsellers using this module a lot. You can highlight your product more engaging and eye-catching way. Let me show you an example. I'm talking about this one. Now, you may notice that this is wider and take more space compared to the basic A+. Okay, wait a second. Let me find a basic A+. Yeah, now, this is image with text. This can take less space. And you see gaps in the right and the left. Technically, this is not a big problem, but more wide means you can add more information in your images. Cause shoppers not going to read those flashy bullets. They're gonna see your images. Anyway, let's go back to the modules. You can see there's 3 type of comparison charts. All are good, but I have seen first one and the third one mostly being used. Next, premium dual images with text. This one is effective because in it the text is scrollable, and that means Amazon algorithm can read the text used here. Most sellers who use these modules add keyword for ranking. And up next is premium for images and text. This one used more than previous one. Also, the text is scrollable, meaning you can optimize text for SEO. Let me find an example for this. See this, right? They added icon and text here, and this text is scrollable. And they added keyword cleverly in the text so that it ranks in the search results. The next one is a gem, premium full video, and that makes the premium A plus a premium A plus. Cause images you can also add in the basic A plus modules, but to add a video you need to have premium A plus. Now, why does this matter the most? Because video engages shoppers more. You can showcase your product in live action, not just how it looks, but how it works. Remember, in online shopping, buyer can't see or touch the product in person. So for them, seeing is believing. And video feels more real compared to images. It builds trust faster and trust sells. Okay, next up is Premium Hotspot 1 and 2. Both are good, engaging, and more likely unique. But most sellers don't bother to use this. Still, if you want to add this module, this will look like this. You hover over the spot and some information reveals. Now, Premium Navigation Carousel. This is most commonly used. There are other types of carousels exist. And this one, the premium Q&A. I would suggest you must have this module. And this module will look like this in your listing. Where do you collect the most common questions that probably all the shoppers will ask and give a great answer? So shoppers don't have to dig through reviews. They don't have to open another tab. They don't have to hesitate. You remove the doubt, and when the doubt is gone, the buying decision gets easier. Let's move to the next, which is Premium Resume Carousel. This is useful, you can use it. This will look like this on your listing. When you click this tab, the image swaps, revealing a new tab. Next one is Premium Simple Image Carousel, and this one get used the most. Clean, scrollable, easy to digest, perfect for showing features, angles, and use cases without frying the buyer's brain. Right after that, you'll see Premium Single Image with Text. Skip it. It breaks momentum and rarely adds values. Then comes Premium Technical Specification. It's good only if you sell tech products, electronics, gadgets, anything specs driven. Otherwise, no one cares. Moving on. Same goes for premium text. Bestsellers avoid this. Walls of text don't convert, they scare people. Next is premium video image carousel. Strong option. You get motion and visual without overwhelming the page. And finally, premium video with text. Also solid, use it to explain benefits while the product proves itself on screen. And that's it. Every module in Premium A Plus content. How to get access and which ones to focus on, which ones to ignore. Now, I think you understand that. Still, if you get confused or have some question, write down on the comment below. Tell me what's your biggest fear making Premium A Plus content. We Ecomclips can help you with that. Mail us at info@ecomclips.com and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. That's all for today. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.